Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is where we left off on the last video. We completed the manual swap successfully, but we couldn't get the car to start. So we slept on it and did some research and tackled it the next day. All we needed to do was jump the inhibitor relay. The inhibitor relay basically wouldn't allow the car to start unless the transmission was in park. So we had to jump it so it closes the circuit and tricks the car into thinking it's always in park.
For this relay, yeah, and then I just placed this and this for my car, the R34s, but 35s, I mean like 33 is this one and this one. 34 is this one and this one.
How did you find out which one it was?
I just guessed and checked.
Oh,
so
okay.
I did this won't start, this won't start, this won't start, this won't start. And the last two I did, then I started out.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
That's it. Then the other wire harness, I just zip tied it here, and then we'll fix that next week. Oh yeah. Hang on, pull my phone.
Oh, this one is good.
Yeah. Hang on. You come to me. Only one holding.
I know.
Can I go? Fuck it.
Awesome. But you legit don't have another one?
Yeah, remember we cut that because it's stripped?
Oh, yeah.
I was like, leave it. No, next week probably.
Yeah.
Now this is the problem.
Reverse, yay! Whoa!
Let's go! What the fuck?
It works. Oh! Fit, go fit, go fit. You got fit.
Oh, I do have fit! Let's go!
Bro.
Let's go!
I think you need like a pressure on the wheels.
No, man. I think it's JDO.
Huh?
It's JDO. Oh, fuck.
And he stalls it.
Oh,
And he stalls it.
Hey, it runs.
I know, right? But the clutch is so aggressive, so I think the clutch is fine.
Yeah.
What is going on?
Yeah, like, yeah, your $6 is overkill for this car.
Oh, shit.
That's why you'd be stalling it.
Yeah.
Someone's honking at you.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, let's go!
Clutch kick. Bang, 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 bang.
Do a burnout.
Fuck no.
That's just shit in his trunk.
What is that? Free aircon right there too? Shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, this clutch is aggressive, man.
Did it come with a kit or you bought it separately?
What do you mean?
The clutch.
It came with like
Well, you,
everything.
oh. Oh!
Save.
Look, I even have my speedometer and RPMs.
You got rev it? Oh.
Oh,
Oh, not anymore. Fail.
ready?
Yeah.
It's full already? What the fuck? What is this?
Yeah, I even have my speedometer and RPMs.
Nice. You didn't have to put that crank sensor in, eh?
No, I didn't even plug anything in.
Nice.
You just gonna cut it or you just...
So I feel like I might just leave it just in case.
In case you want to go back. Ooh. Ooh.
Let's go! Holy fuck! Chill, man.
Clutch kick.
Let's go! Fuck! We're gonna wheel the diff, start drifting. Oh my days! Very good. Yes, sir. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. It's nice, eh?
Yeah.
It's just the first gear.
Yeah.
It's like the biting point. So hard to find. Yeah.
Yeah, it's so hard.
But you get used to it. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, pedal gets stuck on the floor, eh?
Yeah. I think it's leaking
Yeah,
from the
that's fine.
slave.
Yeah. Let's go back.
So it's
I
losing
wanna-
pressure. There you go.
Is that four?
I don't know. Go here.
You have to keep pulling the pedal
Back to yourself, yeah. Just do that. That's what I do.
Hey, didn't stop it.
I know, yeah. You get used to it. It's so different from the STI.
Yeah, same. Like, yeah, Subaru clutches, yeah.
And this one's the aggressive one too. But it's not that bad. They were saying it was like hard to daily.
No, you can get used to this.
Yeah, the 6-spot, it's not bad. It's not as aggressive. Thought it would be.
See?
Yeah. Now I just gotta put a big turbo.
Yeah. Welded diff.
Yeah, weld the diff too. Make
Yeah.
a drift car. I don't know, man. There you go.
Oh,
That's
good
fine.
ending.
Yeah.
Hey. Yeah, you gotta get used to the heel toe on this,
Right?
and then it'll be good to go. You want it in or outside?
Whose STI is that though? Sheesh.
Whose new Skyline is that?
Whoa,
though?
sheesh.
Monster truck fitment.
There's a car meet in here.
Yeah.
So, what do you think?
Dope.
Hey.
Yeah, you just need to weld the diff and more power.
More power,
Boost
baby.
it, swap it, whatever you gotta do.
Let's go. Just donate and then we'll do all that stuff.
Yeah.
Peace.